Good morning, good morning. This is Dana. And guess what? I'm not saying it's Coach Dana. I'm not going to say it's a motivational moment today. What I'm saying to you is this is the start of my own reality show. So, you saw me walking down the stairs, right? So, good morning. Good morning to you. I'm getting ready to go to the office. The office that I'm not going to be at too much longer. Too much longer. Why? Because God is calling me to a different place and there's some things I have to do. So this is my morning. This is how I do every morning. This is how I do when I get things together for you guys for the motivational moment. So with that, I'm letting you know that the real reality show of Dana Neal is coming to you. And it's coming to you on the YouTube channel. So my motivational moment, if you have to have a word on today, is don't fight the messenger and don't believe everything you see on TV, because it's going to be real. This is going to be reality and this is going to be me. And you know what? As things change, you'll understand. So go with me as I go. Thanks a lot. See you soon.